It's 12:09, and I didn't take anything out for lunch, and I've been filming all day. So with that being said, we're going to have a bowl of Captain Crunch. Well, in my little, I love this coffee mug. Anyway, we're going to have some Captain Crunch for lunch. Anybody want some? To Tara Cooks for One single, so the fuck what? I should have put that on it. Anyway, welcome to Tara Cooks for One. I got me a waffle machine. I wanted to make chicken and waffles. So with that being said, thanks to Walmart, I got a waffle maker. Anyway, let's open this up. I'm just babbling. Let's get my handy dandy around the kitchen scissors. These scissors I do not use to cut food with. These are my handy dandy kitchen scissors. So, we have this book here. It's the Waffle Maker machine thingamajig. Let's pull this baby out. Oh, the plate does come off, because I was wondering how you're supposed to clean this. Well, inside. So, here we go. We have the waffle thingamajig here. Why am I calling it a thingamajig? We have a waffle maker. So you spin, it spins. And it tells you when it's ready. Power and ready. Oh, so when you flip it on both sides, it shows power and ready. Okay, how do you open it? The plate goes here. Okay, how do we open this here waffle maker? Oh, there we go. And it's a waffle machine. So I just came on to do a little review. We will be making waffles a whole total different day, just not today. We're just doing the unboxing. So if you are on my YouTube watching, go to my Tara Cooks for One, so what, Instagram, and I will be making waffles there, and I will show a picture on YouTube. If you are on Instagram, Tara Cooks for One, check out my YouTube where I will be coming up with the recipe for my waffles. Yeah. So I am loving this machine. So with that being said, thank you for watching. This is your girl Tara Cooks for One. So what? I made this apron if you're curious, and anyway, thank you for watching. Go. So, this is